What's up, everyone? Today we are going to do a quick unboxing video of a 3D printer.
I'm so excited for this printer. It's the Prusa Mini Plus. We already unboxed the main box and we got all this stuff up here.
When we first opened it, the first thing that was in there was was a pack of gummy bears, which is crazy because I love gummy bears and all candy. What is it?
New 3D printer.
Woo!
All right, here we go.
Been waiting all day to open this,
I've been waiting all month for this. Your journey begins inside. This is Dewey. Merry Christmas, Dewey. Break away to release the cover. Here's what they give you.
Gummy bears?
Yeah.
No way.
They put one of these in every box.
And this one has like clear gummy bears in it.
That's Haribo's always do.
Clear. I've never ate a clear before. I'm so excited. I have.
Oh, okay.
My brother got me some in our Dollar Tree challenge.
Okay, because
link right here or here. I don't know.
I don't know. I think they always have clear ones.
No, look,
did you know
there's
clear
even
ones?
pineapple and there's green.
Did you know clear ones are actually the strawberry flavor?
This is special. Like, the colors look different. You could just tell. It's not the normal, like, saturated type.
Yeah, so this printer is from the Czech Republic.
And did you show our old 3D printer?
This thing
This is
broken.
Our old 3D printer. It was a
Ender 3 V2.
Ender 3 V2.
But it broke. And I was complaining about it. So for Christmas, I got a brand new one.
I've actually been keeping my eye on this. Keeping my eye out. Keep my eye out for the wiener. Keeping my eye on this. I've been looking at this printer for about a year and a half. So I've been wanting to buy it for a while, but I wasn't sure when the right time was. So it came with a little instruction manual.
I don't think it.
No?
I'm trying to find it. I think we gotta go online for
Oh, okay. Well, here it comes with an assembly manual and some really nice stickers, which is really cool.
Wait, that's the assembly manual?
Oh, yes.
Oh, okay.
The way my brain doesn't process the words I say.
Yeah.
Oh, they even tell you about the gummy bears. So it shows like the tools you need, and then
read the warning. Read the warning.
Warning: keep the bag with the Haribo bears closed for now and hide it. Unattended bags tend to mysteriously disappear.
I better hide them then, because I don't know why they would disappear.
Adam already bought 2 big full rolls of filament as well. So is this all the pieces here? All right, so we pretty much have these 2 boxes that has everything in it.
And those 2 boxes you just put to the side.
These are filament, right? Oh, these are, my bad. These are not filament. They definitely look like filament boxes.
Those are filament boxes.
Our filament boxes are over there and they look just like this. So actually, these are building boxes as well.
Yeah.
All right, so where do we start?
Let's get started. Where did I put that screwdriver? Right here.
Bless you.
Thank you. We're doing the XYZ axes parts preparation.
Okay.
For the following steps, please prepare XZ axis.
This is what the inside of the box looks like. There are all the pieces. It's like a big Lego set.
Okay, so this box.
Oh, I think there's a screen in here.
Yes, there is.
Oh. Wow.
That one, this is like a full color screen.
I also bought an extra sheet. Okay, so I have the normal sheet and then the textured one. Okay. Oh, these boxes are really good for storage.
Sure. Let's find all the Allen key wrenches.
Allen key wrenches. So we've got nose pliers and a uni wrench and a bunch of Allen wrenches. This is essentially like adult Legos, but everything is a little more expensive. Look at this. Wait, I gotta do that like beauty guru thing. Look at this.
Can't get them all back in here.
Ooh. So you said M3NN?
Yeah. Linear bearing LM8UU in the rods package.
Rods and extrusion set.
And the Y carriage. Oh, that's this thing, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a piece of metal.
These.
Let me just use these. Let's get them with
Oh, we need a top-down camera. This is amazing, guys. Is this what engineers do all day?
No,
They design
they
these.
designed them.
Wait, you have to center these so that you have to center it between the thing, I think is what it is. Alright, after about an hour and 10 minutes, we're on step 16. We're going to take a break and get back to it, and it might be only Adam for the next little bit.
Forgot to start filming again, but got the back on with the motor here and the pulley. So now we have a fully assembled Y carriage, and I'm working on the bottom part now. Now for the circuit board electronics. Here it is. Step 62. That's it. And break time.
It's about 10:40, almost 11 p.m. and I am exporting a video and Adam is still working on the 3D printer. So let's give you guys an update. How's it going?
It's going pretty good. We got all the axes on. So this is X, Y axis, this way, and then Z is the up and down axis. So now I'm putting together the extruder hot end.
How long do you think it'll take you to finish up?
Oh, I'm hoping another less than 2 hours, like maybe an hour to an hour and a half. That's the goal. I'm still super excited about it. Hopefully we'll be able to do our first calibration print tonight. Okay, it is 1:39 a.m. I just finished. There she is. I haven't turned it on yet though. There's the filament holder, the printer with the magnetic bed. Okay, it's installing. Success. Starting the first print. Auto bed leveling. It's coming together. It's almost done.
Ooh, wow, that looks great. First print using the gray filament over there.
Yeah, the one it just came with.
Are you happy with how it turned out?
Yeah, watch this.
Oh.
Yeah, it's spring steel, so
Wow.
it comes off really easily.
Very nice,
And then
very
it's
nice.
magnetic. Watching this mesmerizing 3D printer. Oh, that's so cool. Printing the first layer right now. It's so satisfying from this angle. So we're gonna start on one of these websites where you can pick what you want. So here's printables.com, which is a good one. So here's one we found. We've been needing some more bag clips and it looks like we could just print some. So I'm gonna download the STL and we're gonna open them in the Prusa Slicer, which is the software that you need to kind of convert each 3D model into something that can be printed. So here's the 3D printed parts, and we can make a copy of these so we can make two. I'm gonna click slice, and it just processes for a quick second, and now we can export the G-code, which is the file that the printer reads. And we're gonna plug this in the side, okay, and we're just gonna switch it on. And this is the material that's gonna be printing. So it's just a spool of plastic filament. We can see the preview here. And we're just gonna let it warm up and then it'll start printing. We're gonna set up a time lapse so you can see it print. It's gonna take 3 hours to make us our 2 clips. And here we go. Boop.
All right, so these prints have finished. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
So we can just clean these prints off a little bit by peeling it off. Or you can cut them off with snips or take them later and then kind of burn them off.
Oh, I see, I see. Wow.
Just a little fuzzy.
So smooth. It's a very nice print.
Yeah, let me snip those
So
off.
let's assemble.
You watch this.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, it holds pretty strong. Being a YouTuber is hard, man. How do you show the camera anything? Okay, so it's poking through now. Yeah, here we go. Okay, and then it goes in there, and then you kind of just... Uh-oh, it broke.
Oh, man.
Oh, no.
It breaks too easily.
Again.
Well, you just have to print that piece.
I'll just have to print the clip.
Oh, man.
I wonder if we should have read the instructions.
I didn't realize there were instructions.
Me either.
Ah! What are you doing?
It just snapped this one too.
Oh, no.
Reviewing this print. It was working till I did one of these on it. Like
Yeah.
because you can print with different settings. So this was mostly hollow. Okay, we're done with the 100% infill this time. And I'll try to install these now. Here we go, they're done. They're really really strong, hard to open. But I guess that's good. This is Doctor Strange. Let's see how detailed it is. And here's a Darth Vader. And here's a big cat bowl.
And it's so smooth on the bottom. Like usually with 3D printers, I feel like you can feel each layer, but with this, it feels like one piece. I really like that about the new printer.
There's a couple fidget toys. You can just fidget with it. Here is an Oreo.
That looks like a real Oreo. Does it open up?
Yeah, so it's actually lens caps for my camera, which is kind of cool. And a little springy turtle.
These are your little favorite things.
Hello.
And baby Groot. Hi, baby Groot.
Hi.
And I really like this filament because it's sparkly, so it like catches the light very nicely.
The black one's sparkly.
Only the black one's sparkly?
Yeah.
Really? This looks sparkly too.
This is the textured.
Oh,
the textured
oh, you're right. Yeah. This one's not
PETG,
sparkly. Oh, but it
PETG
looks
is shiny, but it's not sparkly. So like this filament has
Sparkles.
actual sparkles inside of it.
I see.
Just got done editing.
I realized that there's no outro, so here we have an outro. I feel like this is going to be a trend in all my videos. Realize that there's no outro while I'm editing, but yeah.
Yeah, it's been a couple weeks since we finished that video. Printed a lot of stuff since then, and I've really been liking it. It's a great upgrade from the other printer I had. So thanks for that.
Awesome. I'm glad you like it, and hopefully we can start printing more cool things for different projects, and I really hope you guys like the video. Comment down below what we should print next. Catch you guys next time.
Comment, like, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.